Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to cook jade parcels. So first, gather some lotus head, julienne chilies, cabbage, and ham. Then throw them into the pot and cook it perfectly, and done. There you go, jade parcels. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. What I'm actually going to do is show you how to make jade parcels in real life, so let's get started. First, start boiling some white lotus seeds and bring it to a simmer. Leave it like that for about 30 to 40 minutes. While that's going on, we'll prepare the meat. I'm using some leftover ham from the holidays that my mom made, but you can use any other ham. Cut the ham into manageable pieces, about 1-inch cubes. The smaller the better, but it's easiest to cut them as large as possible. Next, throw in a few cubes of ham into a food processor, and mince the meat until it looks as shown. Put that meat aside in a bowl and repeat until you've gone through all your ham. By now, the lotus seeds should be finished. You'll notice some green stuff in the middle of some seeds. That's the germ. Be sure to take that out because it tastes really bitter. Now, add the seeds to the minced ham and mix together. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well before adding the other. Now you should be able to form the meat into any small shape. Now, add some sesame oil and mix thoroughly. Next, boil some water, and once it's boiling, place a head of savoy cabbage inside and blanch for about 5 minutes. Afterwards, take the cabbage out and place it in a bowl and let it cool for a bit. Now, take one leaf and place it on a flat surface. Form a small ball of ham mixture and place it on the middle of the leaf. Cover the ball by folding the edge of the leaf over itself, going all the way around. Give it a twist and place it down to help retain the shape. Tie the twist with a Chinese chive, pulling it gently to tighten without breaking it. Finally, flare out the top a bit, cut off the excess chive with a pair of scissors, and place it in the steamer. Next, slice a few chilies, removing the stems from each chili. Then, pour chicken broth into the bottom of the steamer and put the chilies inside as well. Start heating up the broth until it begins to boil, at which point, turn the heat down to medium-low, place the top part of the steamer on the top and cover it. Let it cook for about 25 minutes. Once it's done cooking, arrange a few of them nicely on top of some broth on a plate, and there you go, jade parcels.